What's going on, everyone? Corey from Yoda Expedition here. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the TRD oil cap for your 4Runner. Some people love some small dress-up parts or anything TRD related, so that's why we're taking a closer look at this. All right, so taking a closer look at the box, here you have the part number for this particular oil cap, and it comes with your instructions in Japanese, which is always the best, and the oil cap, and then you have the top section here that you're going to be sticking on after you screw this on. All right, step one of this install, make sure you pay attention because this might go really quick. You're going to take off your oil cap. Here, let me go one more time just in case you missed it. You're going to turn it to the left, and simple as that. Part two of this install, we're going to turn this to the right till it's tight. Now we can go ahead and peel off the back to our TRD sticker and place that on so it is nice and straight. The hardest part of this install is getting the cover off the back of the sticker. In all seriousness, the TRD oil cap is a nice touch to the engine bay, especially if you're one of those guys that likes all of the TRD bits on your 4Runner. We have the TRD intake on here, and we are going to be putting the TRD radiator cap on as well. So it's just nice to have those little touches here and there on your 4Runner. If you guys want to grab one of these, they're available at yodaexpedition.com. I'll put our link down in the description. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.